Hello guys, hello friends. I haven't made a video for a long time, but I wanted today because it's nice atmosphere, very beautiful. Look, and nice smell. It's raining. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, I like this place. I love this place, and okay, it's very good. But I am get depressed because I get depressed because I am alone in here in like this place in Akhisar. I have not friends in Akhisar, but good. I am alone and I am good. Just maybe I get depressed, but I am trying to do. I am trying to do something always because I don't want get depressed. I want. I want. I don't want get depressed. Depressed? Maybe. Okay. It's not important. Okay. I bought a new microphone like this. I don't like, but it's very cheap, and I bought this microphone. Uh, I am very cheap man, cheap guy. Okay, what do I do? I am cheap. What I am saying. Okay,